the kitchen.
You do not get to use a knife. Sorry, you're 6.
I'm gonna grate the cheese.
Oppa! And break it down and back to work.
But did you put heaven sauce on that burger?
Yes, I did.
Spread sunshine. Here we go.
Welcome to this episode of Sunshine Cooking Challenge.
Just want to tell you how much we love you guys and how much we love your support and how grateful we are that you guys are our supporters and our family. So thank you guys so much.
Woo! And if you haven't already, please go and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And also, we're going to be putting out some new content on Facebook. So go check that out, y'all. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook.
Yeah, we're gonna be posting unique content on there, things that you won't find on our YouTube channel. So we hope to see you guys over there.
Woohoo!
Today, our vlog is sponsored by none other than Blue Apron. Pretty awesome, right? So check it out. We wanted to try them out, and they wanted to let us try them out. So they sent us some stuff. And we're gonna get a chance to try it out today. But check in our description at the very top, there's a link for the first 50 members of Sunshine Nation that try out Blue Apron. You get $50 off your first 2 weeks at Blue Apron. So make sure you go down there and try it out. We wanted to try it out, so they sent us a couple of meals here, and we're gonna get a chance to try it today.
When I came home, this was at my door. All there. I didn't have to shop. I didn't have to like measure anything out. It's all pre-measured. And so I was like, really? But surely there's something I have to buy because no, the meat was in there. But how does the meat come in a box?
It's all of this fresh, comes fresh, and it's in an ice box, so
Yeah, I was.
keeps it nice and cool.
I opened it up and I was like, no way.
Legend.
Legend. Surely they don't have the cheese. No, they have the cheese, the tomatoes, everything.
It's baby butter.
That's cheese.
This is cheese?
Cheese. Dad has been the one in charge of all this. But I was reading and it says it's all farm fresh. For real?
Awesome. Look at the
Yeah.
colors there, you guys.
Farm fresh.
We got fresh chicken. We have fresh beef here. So usually
Hey, do you guys know what this is?
That's a
shallot.
That's an avocado.
Oh, great.
Wait, what'd you say, Brayton?
Shallot.
Nice. A shallot.
Exactly. You ever heard of a shallot? See, this is the thing, y'all. Usually when I have a recipe and it calls like all these different things, I'm like, nah, I don't have time to go find out where, I mean, how many times am I gonna go find Fontina cheese? No, but if I do this, then I'm like, I don't need to go find Fontina cheese. It's there. I can just have it. A shallot? When's the last time we bought a shallot?
Like never?
Like never.Maybe when like you were in your grandma's garden.
Grandma didn't have shallots, man.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Shallots are pretty cool.
I know. Pitted, how do you say this word? Nicoise olives. There's like a weird little like symbol on the C, so I don't even know how to say it.
Boise? I don't know.
Man, I can't find that in the store. You guys, I was exhausted Saturday night, and Brayton and Luke said, we'll do your grocery shopping for you. Aww.
Woohoo! Good job, Luke and Bray Bray.
I only gave you the smallest. What'd you say how hard it
It
was?
was so hard, I couldn't find anything. We were going back and forth all over the store.
Opposite ends of the store.
Yeah, we must have walked like 3 miles in the Walmart. It was
And I only gave you the basics. I didn't give you any pitted Nicoise olives.
Yeah, no
or Fontina cheese.
Fontina
Or
cheese.
shallots.
Oh.
So cool, hold up those recipes, because this is what...
What's this?
Popping on this side.
Frigola starter pasta. I didn't give you any frigola starter pasta. I'm excited.
That's pretty awesome. This is what I like, is that the recipes have pictures on them. Woo! And it walks you through the steps on the back. Sometimes like it's so hard for me to do a recipe. I like to have pictures on it so I can see if I'm doing it right.
So we got 2 different meals from Blue Apron, and we're gonna do the Sunshine Chef Challenge. We're gonna separate into 2 teams, and we're gonna see which team can make the meal better.
I want to be on your team.
Wait, we're the ones who are the judges.
Oh, okay.
You're the team.
Rachel and I will be the judges, and the kids will be on a team. You guys ready for this or not?
Me and Mario make good salad.
Ah! Go, buddy, real.
Give you good cook.
I give you chicken and soup.
I'm not afraid to lose.
Team number 1, Juliana, Jackson, Papa Bray, and the Lukester.
Hey.
Team number 2, JJ, THBD, Mariah, and JoJo. Team number 1 is gonna cook pan-seared chicken. Team number 2 is gonna cook Shala burger.
Shallot burger?
A shallot burger.
The challenge begins! Go! 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 Go!
Jordan, oven, 450. Where's the oven? Where's the oven?
Fight! Fight in the kitchen! Fight in the kitchen! Make food, not war! Make food, not war!
Oh, not you.
Flies, dry calcium, Go get some paper towels for that chicken.
It's always overflowing. What do I do?
Oh my God!
I don't have a phone. I gave it up to the boys.
You don't
Such grace, Jackson, such grace.
Now we do this. You do not get to use a knife. Sorry, you're 6.
I'm gonna grate the cheese.
Who stole our searing?
Yellow potatoes. Yellow potatoes. Where's the cheese?
He's hiding the pan so no one else, the other team won't use it. Who's that, Jaden?
There you go.
It's honey.
Honey.
Searing pan.
Out here, out here.
Blue.
What's your name?
It says heat 2 teaspoons of olive oil.
Excuse me, Brandon.
Are you supposed to mix the mustard in the honey? Nice, dude. You making some honey mustard?
Yeah, bro.
But not too much. Please not too much.
Oh, there's garlic smells good.
Dad, can I dump it in here?
So you just want to basically keep it.
Nice work, son.
Move this way.
I smell it.
Yeah, it smells good.
What is that?
That's what else I do.
Capers?
What are capers?
I just do potatoes.
You know what capers are, Brayton?
Yeah, my mom puts them on bagels.
No way.
You ever had capers before? What
I've
are
never
they?
had
I
capers.
don't know what they are, but they're like.
See, I don't even know how to cook gourmet.
I've had gourmet ramen. What about today?
They have 8 new gourmet recipes every single week to choose from.
And they send them to you?
Yeah.
8 different ones a week?
Well, you don't buy all 8 of them unless you want to.
choose, yeah.
You can choose. We're gonna need them all. We have a big family to eat.
We have a big family to eat.
We have a big family to feed.
Oh,
The big thing to eat.
big
They're in the basement right now.
We're gonna eat them all.
They're a minute.
They're about ready to
What else do I put in here?
That gave you such a horrible image.
They're in the basement right now.
You don't waste any ingredients and say, oh, I bought too much of this, bought too much of that.
I'm actually really excited to eat this.
I love that. I love you. What's wrong with food?
What is this in there?
The pasta.
Okay, Papa Bray and Company. It looks like Papa Bray and Company is the head of this. is winning on time. What's your team over here?
They're the Tyson Mills fan club.
Tyson Mills fan club and Papa Bray fan club?
Let's get it.
What you doing over here, Mariah?
Trying to make it neat.
Just quietly doing your job over here.
Making the meat.
Your nanny would be proud. Are you dancing because the kids are cooking and you don't have to?
Yep.
Is that why you dancing?
Always.
Are you dancing because Blue Apron sent you all the ingredients?
Yeah.
And you don't have to go shopping at 5 a.m.?
That is good. That really is good. I'm dancing because I think there should be a dance break every time you cook.
2, 1, dance break!
Break it down and back to work.
Back to work. What are you doing dancing in the kitchen? Get back to work.
No dancing into cooking?
The cheese grater.
Gonna make a hamburger, buddy?
Yes.
Good job, Mariah and Tyson.
Pan-seared chicken.
Nice work, bro.
Boy, thank you.
You like that?
Juliana decided to just make faces in the camera instead of cook.
Decided not to use this, right? You're gonna make 4 hamburgers out of that.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to
Right
eat.
way to grate cheese. Let that
Brother?
Teamwork. Look at that teamwork. We got 3 teenage boys overseeing the draining of the pasta. Jackson's looking over the shoulder, approving it.
This is my new favorite kind of cheese. Like really good.
What's it called?
Grana Padano.
Is it your favorite too? Good. How you doing on those burgers over there, Mariah? Hold on. I saw that. What were you eating? What were you eating?
Cheese.
What are you doing, young man? Just sitting there being cute? It's juicy and tasty. My mouth is watering. It's good.
Opa!
Jackson overseeing it, looking good. The overseer. Hey, look at Luke cleaning up as he goes. It's a sign of a true chef. Let me teach you how to dice that, Jordan. We have taught Jordan the dicing technique.
You got a terrible voice.
Put it together and dice. Oh, Nanny would be proud. How does shallot smell?
It smells like onions and garlic. I don't know.
That actually hurt.
It's like onions and garlic mixed. It's a hybrid species.
Ow! Oh yeah.
It burns.
Oh yeah.
The shallot.
And that's it. The others already cooked.
All I gotta say is that it is smelling good in this house.
Where's that plate?
What are you doing here?
I was cutting them up.
And why does that bread look so good, Tyson?
Because I fried it, but I did it on the wrong side as well.
That's okay.
Still looks pretty decent though.
Hey, what's going on over here? What are you doing?
Making the plate.
Wait, what'd you put on the bottom of that?
Ricotta. Seasoned ricotta.
Are you gonna hold them? Yeah. You are looking for gas.
Oh my gosh. Look at Brayton. Wow, he knows how to make it right.
We're gonna win this.
Oh, I want to eat it so bad.
Oh my gosh, what is that on top of there?
It is
Cheese.
Who's gonna win?
Me and you are both gonna win. No.
Team Papa Bray. Look at this, every plate looks amazing. I caught you. I caught you too. Eating before the judges ate.
I need to look.
He ate, I saw him.
Let me smell your breath, both of you. We're gonna take some of each.
I'm gonna eat the chicken right now.
I need a potato.
That is good.
Interesting flavors.
Mustard and honey.
I love it.
That is very good.
Did you put heaven sauce on that burger?
So Mom, Dad, who won?
I haven't tasted chicken yet. But did you put heaven sauce on that
So-
burger?
Yes, I did.
I'm gonna taste this burger.
I want to know who won right this very minute.
Some shallots in there.
Good cooks, you guys.
Thank you.
Wow.
Which one's better?
Taste the chicken.
Let me guess, the burger.
I am all about like actually choosing a winner and not saying, hey, everybody's a winner. But everybody's a winner.
These are both amazing.
I love that they're very unique flavors in here. Extremely unique flavors.
You guys, good job on cooking.
Excellent job. Very good.
Dude, all I can say is the kids got talent. The cooking talent. Good job, guys.
Who knew kids could cook gourmet food?
Comment on what your favorite meal is to cook at home if you are a cook. And if you're not a cook, say, I'm more of an eater, and tell us what your favorite meal is to eat at home.
Holy cow. While we were doing the taste test, what happened to your food, Luke?
Tell the class
So
boy.
I was just minding my own business, and out of nowhere, a leprechaun just came,
A pink leprechaun? A pink one?
yes, out of the backyard and just stole all my food.
I'm sorry, we should give you more.
Yes.
Sunshine Mafia, all I gotta say is that I love you guys, and even though I'm feeling down, I get back up because you guys encourage me to reach my goals, and I want to say I love you guys and spread sunshine.
We want to spread sunshine to you. And we love you. Spread sunshine. Bye. Hi guys, my name is Carrington and I almost watch your videos almost every day. And I just want to say hashtag Sunshine Mafia, hashtag Spread Sunshine, and also hashtag Sunshine Nation. As you can see, I'm watching your videos right now. And yeah, I love you guys, and you guys have such amazing and lovely voices. Spread sunshine. Bye.